Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Xiaomi Mi 10T. And this is a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 70,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, we have 128 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. And guys, also on the color I have is the silver color, and you can see. So now let's quickly open this box and let's see what is Xiaomi has to offer in this phone. We also have a 1-year warranty card because this phone it is officially launched in Pakistan market. And now let's open this box and removing one more plastic on the box, and you can see on the back we have nothing. On the right hand side as well as on the left hand side we have this Mi logo on this phone, and on the top we have this Mi logo. And this phone it is also support 5G because this phone has a Snapdragon 865 chipset. So now let's open this box. And you can see, and guys, on the top we got this one more mini box, and guys, in this box and we get a SIM ejection tool, and you can see. And also we have a headphone jack adapter because this phone does not have any headphone jack. And also we get a quick start guide, and you can see. And also we have a soft silicone case with the Xiaomi, and you can see we also have this Xiaomi logo on the case. And guys, here is the phone, and you can see. And guys, now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, and first we got this adapter and the cable, and guys, we got a USB Type-C cable with this phone as you can see. And we also have this orange indicator inside the USB Type-C port. You can see here is the adapter. And guys, and the pay rating on this adapter, it is a 11 volt with a 3 ampere. This phone give you a 33 watt super fast charging right out the box. And guys, that's about it. And guys, now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, here is the phone. We have this main highlighting feature about the phone, and you can see we have a 64 megapixel AI cameras on this phone. We have a 144 Hz display on this phone with a 6.67 inch full HD display on this. And also we have a Snapdragon 865 chipset as well as a 5000 mAh battery size. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and you can see the back it is made up of glass. And guys, now let's quickly boot this phone up. And now let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we get a speaker, main microphone as well as a USB Type-C port and a SIM tray. On the left hand side we get nothing. On the top we get a IR blaster as well as a noise cancelling microphone. And also we have a dual speakers on this phone. One it is on the bottom and one it is on the top. And on the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker as well as a sound mounted fingerprint scanner which is also work as a power on button. On the back we get a quad cameras as you can see, and the main sensor on the back is a 64 megapixel. And also we have a ultra wide as well as a macro. You can see, and the camera bump it is also really big on this phone. And you can see here is a 6.67 inch full HD IPS LCD display. And also we have 144 Hz refresh rate on this phone which makes everything more smoother. So guys, now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, you can see that here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and you can see. And guys, let me go to the settings and go to the about phone, and you can see this phone is running on Android 10 right out the box. We don't have Android 11 right out the box. And also we have a MIUI version 12 on this phone. And again we have a Snapdragon 865 chipset which is the latest and the greatest right now. We have a 128 GB of internal storage out of 111 GB it is available for you guys. And now let's go to the display section. We have a 144 Hz refresh rate display on this phone. And also we have a 90 Hz as well as a 60 Hz option in the settings. And you can see we also have a dark mode on this phone. All those things it is available on this phone. I can see the 144 Hertz refresh rate. And guys, now let's look at the camera, and you can see here is the camera UI of the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and you can see here is your normal, and guys here is your ultra wide, and you can see ultra wide it is also looks really good on this phone. We also have a video section on this phone, and guys you can see that we also have a 4K 60 fps as well as a full HD 60 fps on this phone with 8K. And guys, now let's go to the mode section, and you can see we also have a night mode on this phone, and you can see which is only work with the main lens, and you can see, and we also have a slow motion on this phone. We also have a 960 fps, and you can see which is also work at full HD resolution. And guys, now let's look at the front camera. Here is a portrait mode on this phone. Now let's see the video recording size with the front camera. And the front camera, it is maximum shoot at full HD 30 fps, does not have any 4K mode. And in the mode section and the slow motion, it is also available with the front camera. As you can see, let's see the night mode, it is available with the front camera or not. And the night mode, it is also available with the front camera, as you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that I'm really impressed by the hand feel of this phone, because back it is made up of glass, and also we have this matte finish. Also we have a 5000 mAh battery size, and the battery size it is really good on this phone. We have a 7nm 865 on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.